Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this year's Midwives Convention. We are honored to have you all here as we explore an essential theme, sharing insight for bigger practice.
Midwifery is evolving. As a healthcare providers, we must be open to new knowledge, embrace technology, and continue improve our skills to provide the best care possible. To begin, let's welcome our Bataan midwives. Midwives with year of experience. Again, I am Ms. Rompilio and this is my partner, Ms. Ruga. We will be your host for today. And before we finally start the meeting, I would like you to meet our midwives, Ms. Roque, Ms. Rompilio, Ms. Resada, Ms. Reyes, and of course, Ms. Rabino. Today, we will sharing experience, knowledge, and we do a collaboration.
Hey, good morning mga ma'am. Sa facility namin, marami kami ginagawa mga basic like prenatal check-ups, yung usually ginagawa sa mga center, newborn screening, immunization, and mga postnatal care. Ginagawa din sa facility namin kasi tumatanggap din kami ng mga post yung mga kapanganak ng mga mother. Sa amin din yung diretso kasi may mga vaccines din silang kailangan tanggapin ni baby. So, kailangan din i-vaccinate bago mag-vaccine nila.
However, since we were eyeing for bigger projects nga, diba? Since yun yung pinaka-team ng convention na to, we want more than just the basics. The basic prenatal care, or postnatal care, immunization. So what can you offer sa amin? Kasi kami were confident na yung line-in namin, we can offer more than just the basics sa patients.
For us kasi, syempre, kailangan natin ng more trainings. Ganon. So, para magkaroon ng improvement, hindi lamang yung facility, kundi yung mga tao, midwives na gaganap sa facility.
It also, di ba, provided naman siyang email. So, what are you, pertaining? Hindi kayo umate ng trainings, sessions, seminars, for midwives?
Hindi. For me kasi kailangan din ng experience. Yung trainings na natin namin, hindi pa ganun ka. So, we want more para mas ma-improve yung skills namin. Hindi lang siya yung facility. Yung lagi natin kasama yun kasi doon tayo nag-work. And parang doon na nga din tayo nakatira. Kasi nga, ayun. And, syempre, in trainings kasi, madami tayong magiging.
How about doon sa mga equipments doon sa facility?
Since hindi kami high facility, so hindi ganun ka-dami yung equipments namin. Like, mayroon lang kami Doppler.
So, to proceed with the other aspect of this meeting, we would like to parang ask how will you assure us na we will gain something from you kapag pag-collab kami sa inyo. Since ito nga yung pinaka-purpose ng meeting natin, we were planning to build or create a bigger projects, bigger opportunities for midwives. So, how will you ensure us na we will gain something from you?
Especially, di ba, nabanggit nyo kasi na dapat trainings pa kayo. How about yung mga trainings nyo na yung mga panahon na nakapagtayo na kayo ng trainings? Paano yung maa-assure sa amin?
Based sa mga trainings na na-attendan namin, syempre, we can share naman our experiences. Yun. I think sapat naman na yun kasi nga, syempre, lahat tayo sa trainings lang din umaasa para magkaroon ng experience. Kaya, ayun, yun yung may offer namin. Yung experience namin sa trainings, hindi lang sa trainings, kundi doon sa facility as well.
And also, pili naman kami maganda training sa Bebo. Especially yung Bebo talaga yung pinaka-allow ng mga midwives na gawin sa process. Bebo.
Training. Kaya, kami makakatulong sa ayun, kaya sabi niya, marami kaming trainings na
impact of the
Ayun lang sa akin.